Yo no quiero que veas como yo te vi, yeah. Pero otra vez, yo te quiero ver cerca de mí, cerca de mí.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are blessed. I am back with a new wig video. So I have a new wig from a company called Myuniwigs. If you guys are interested, I will have all the details, links, and information, as well as a discount code located in the description box below. So here is the wig that I picked up. I picked up this gorgeous 360 skin melt Swiss lace invisible strap super hairline lace wig. As you can see, it has that skin melt Swiss high definition lace. It does have the invisible straps in the back that are adjustable. That will give you a nice contoured fit, so you don't have to worry about the wig looking unrealistic or not staying down in the back. So my wig is 22 inches long. I picked up this wig in the Yaki straight texture. Again, this is a 360 lace wig. It can be worn in a ponytail or going straight down. So pretty much right now I am just laying the hairline and also the nape of the wig. I tend to do this a lot with my 360 lace wigs just to get the process rolling early on. I did apply a little bit of gel around the hairline. Now I'm going in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to get everything nice and flat. Now I'm applying my edge band just to kind of get that to be nice and laid, and then I'm pulling out the little wispies in the very back of the wig just to give that a super natural appearance, and then I'm smoothing everything out using my hot comb. So the knots on this lace wig is pre-bleached. The hairline is not only pre-plucked, but they do have their super hairline, which makes it look super natural. That's a whole lot better than a lot of these other companies. It's going to give you a very natural looking appearance that mimics our natural hairline. So I applied an additional elastic band to the back just to really get the back of that wig to look laid when I do wear it up in a high bun. So now I am just flat ironing this hair straight. So Myuniwigs has some experience in the wig game. They do own their own factory, so they do actually manufacture their own wigs. They don't have to, get their supplies from a third-party company. They make everything in-house, and they have over 50 years of experience making these wigs. So you guys, look at the quality of this hair. It is definitely a plus. I got to give it to them. So I'm super excited to be able to try this wig out and let you guys know how I feel about it. And they also wanted to offer you guys, my subscribers, a discount code. So in case you guys are interested in this unit, be sure to use discount code TWINS to save yourself some cash. So here is what the very back of the wig looks like. It's very laid. It's ready to be installed. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace off camera. You guys seen this process done too many times, but if you guys want to see a video on how I trim off the lace on my 360 units, I'll go ahead and pin a video in the cards above, so be sure to check that out. So now I'm going in using a little bit of my Eben lace tint spray. Gonna spray that all over and then blow dry it dry. Now this process is unnecessary, being that this high definition Swiss lace blends with all skin tones, but I do prefer to do this just because I'm in front of lights. Here are the 360 invisible elastic straps. They are adjustable, and it's going to make the wig lay extremely flat in the back. You don't have to worry about the wig lifting up in the very back. You don't have to worry about being embarrassed about your lace lifting. Everything's going to be seamless and laying flat back there. You guys can see exactly how I do them. I just go ahead and pull them, adjust the little drawstring, and then I tuck it underneath the wig, so therefore they're not hanging out or flapping. It allows the wig to lay super flat. You guys can see the high definition lace and how it just melts right in with your skin tone. You can use glue if you choose to. I actually will be using my Got2b glued. Gonna spray that all along the entire perimeter of this wig. Then I'm going to apply my elastic bands and go ahead and get it blow dry until it is melts down. So after about 10-15 minutes or so, now that the lace is now adhered down, it's not going anywhere, I am going to apply a little bit of gel just to kind of redirect the hairline to go back. And then I also will be pulling out a little bit of baby hairs. It's just kind of like my safety blanket. I like baby hairs because my forehead is just so big. If you don't like baby hairs, girl, don't add it. For me, it's like a security blanket, or maybe I need to work on my self-esteem. But yeah, so now I'm going to pull the hair up and we're going to get the back adhered down. I'm going to use my Got To Be Glued again and do the same process that I did in the very front of the wig. So now that the back of the wig is nice and adhered down, y'all, this wig is ready to go. Y'all get into it. The hair is so soft. I am raking my fingers through it. I'm getting no shedded hairs. I think I got maybe one or two all together, even after brushing through the hair. Super good quality hair. I'm definitely becoming a fan of my UNIWIGs. Y'all, look at this hairline. You guys see how comfortable it fits behind the ears. You guys see how the lace is nice and melted down. Y'all, I just literally can't keep my hands out of this hair. It's so soft. Gonna give you guys a quick 360 on the angles of this hair. Y'all can definitely wear it up in a high ponytail. You can wear it down. Now, this isn't a full lace wig, so you can't get freestyle parting. However, you can wear it up in a ponytail. It's super secure. Y'all see, it ain't going nowhere. I'm literally pulling it. It's not going anywhere. It has a nice, comfortable, snug fit. But now I'm going to show you guys how I put this in a high ponytail. I'm just reapplying my elastic band just because I don't want the wig to fly off or anything like that, because Got To Be Glued is strong, but it ain't that strong. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put this in a high bun. You guys can see how easy it is. Now, I do have tons of hair up underneath this wig. Y'all forgive me. So you are going to notice a bit of a hump in the very back, but if you braid your hair in like a beehive, y'all should be good to go. Now, I did pull out a little extra little wispies back there just to kind of give it like that messy, effortless, you know, it's growing from my neck hairs look. But you guys do check out my UNIWIGs. I'll have all the details, links, and coupon codes listed in the info section below, so be sure to check that out. Y'all, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.